Hi folks, Anthony here from Linders in Finglas. Today I'm just going to show you around this 2019 Toyota PRIUS Plus 1.8 petrol hybrid automatic. It's in immaculate condition inside and out, as you'll see in this video. Parking sensors to the front with the front fog lights as well. Coming around to the side, you will see that hybrid badge and the 16-inch alloy wheels. Huge spec in this car, as you will see. It's in pristine condition. Coming around to the back, you'll see the PRIUS Plus and the hybrid badges, and also the reversing camera there as well. Coming into the boot, massive boot space. It is a 7-seater, so you have the extra room when the back seats do fold down. Into the back, half leather, half cloth interior, immaculate condition. It does have this sun visor as well, which is a handy feature. Electric windows in the front and the back, and also safety features as well with the ISOFIX hooks. 3 individual headrests, 2 there in the back. These 3 seats are adjustable and individual as well. Coming around into the driver's side, electric windows and electric heated mirrors folding there as well. Automatic headlamps, lane assist. Coming up, multifunctional steering wheel, leather wrapped with the voice command, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity. You can do everything from the touch of your steering wheel. Eight-inch touchscreen with your sat nav, push button start, push button handbrake, and your automatic gearbox there as well. Push handbrake, air conditioning also, heated seats for the left and the right driver and passenger. Here are the different modes: EV, full EV mode and eco mode. As I said, massive spec in this car. All our cars do come with a warranty of 12 months or 16,000 kilometers. The VRT is already paid on this car, so the price on our website is the price that you'll pay. For all the other specs, they are on our website as well. For any more information, contact myself or any of my colleagues on 01864 8212. We look forward to helping you out here at Linders. Thank you.